The key point in this question is they have said x and y are positive integers, and they have given the equation that is 2x plus 5y equals to 39. If they would have been gave more than if they would have been gave two equations, then I can make x or y the subject in one equation and I can substitute it in my second equation to get the value of corresponding x and y value. So whenever they give you only one equation and if they're asking you to calculate the value of x or y, so you have to always think about trial and error method. So since they're asking you to find the sum of all the possible value of y, so let me take a trial and error value for y. So since y and x are both should be a positive integer, let me start with y equals to 1. So when y is 1, if I'm substituting in my equation, that would be 2x plus 5 into 1 equals to 39. If I solve this equation for x, so 39 minus x, 39 minus 5 divided by 2 will give me 70. So that means y is the possible value of this equation. So similarly, if I do it for y equals to 2, so that would be 2x plus 5 into 2 equals to 39. So this results in x equals to 39 minus 10, so which is 90, 29, so 29 over 2, which will be 14.5. So this 14.5 is not a positive integer value of y. So that is the reason. So y cannot be 2. Similarly, when y is 3, you will get some positive integer for x. When y is 4, you won't. When y is 5, you will get some positive integer for x. But when y is 6, you won't. Similarly, y is 7 also, you will be getting it. When y is 8, you won't. But after y is 9, so the x values you will get as, say, suppose 2x plus 5 times 9 equals to 39, and 5 times 9 is 45. So 45 minus or 39 minus 45 would be 6. So x minus 6. So x would be minus 6 over 2, which is x equals to minus 3. So after y crosses 7 or y crosses 8, you will be getting the x as a negative integer. So that is the reason I can stop it here. I can stop it here and I can find all the sum of possible values of y excluding this 9. So that would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So which will give me 60. So that means B is my answer.